What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have a case review for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So without further ado, let's take a look at this bad boy right here. Now I know if you've seen this case before because it's been all over social media. It's been all over X, Instagram, Twitter. Twitter is X, TikTok. And without further ado, it's here now. Now this is the revised version. The revised version is the only version right now shipping. So you are going to get the revised version of the Thineborne Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold case. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we got inside. Some important information in regards to charging and some details in regards to the Aramid fiber that they use in this case. So what we're looking at right now is this nice case, as you can see, and it is MagSafe compatible, and this revised version does have the MagSafe in the proper place right here. That's going to allow you to charge wirelessly without any issue, and it's going to play just nice with all your MagSafe compatible accessories. No issues with that whatsoever. But quick look at the case and it looks absolutely fantastic, feels fantastic as well. You have a little bit of Thineborne branding right there on the bottom. But what else we get here? We have some extra adhesive stickers just in case the ones that are pre-installed in the case go out, and you have the front portion of the display, which I absolutely love. I love that they include this. Some case manufacturers are going away from including the front portion of the case for foldables. If that's the case, just provide it anyways. If I feel like I don't want to rock with the front portion of the case, then let me make that choice. I don't want you making the choice for me, because then the case itself feels weird with just not having the front portion of the case. In my opinion, I like to have both because I like to rock them with both. But if you don't, then you have the option to just leave it out, and it's there on the side if you ever need it. So let's grab the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Let's test this out because I know cool. It looks like it's gonna fit just fine. Looks absolutely good. I like this front portion of the case because it goes to the edge. It doesn't go on the glass. And if you have a edge to edge tempered glass screen protector, it's going to work just fine with this Thineborne case. Like the D brand screen protector goes edge to edge. So if you have that one, it's going to work just fine with this case because the front portion does not intrude or protrude the glass here. So absolutely love that about this case. Let's go ahead and grab the back portion here, put this bad boy in here. Let's go ahead and slide it. I kind of like to, oh, I'm not gonna be able to slide this one, but very nice fitment, very nice. This thing's gonna fit just fine. It's gonna be tempered glass screen protector friendly. The back, you do have a bit of a lip there, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. You're not gonna mess up that camera lens. I believe even with that lip back here, if you put a tempered glass screen protector right there, it's just gonna work fine. But this is popping out a little bit right there, but I think it might be meant to be like that. This does not really mess with the device or anything like that, but the cutouts are nice and precise. Look at the cutouts right there. They're nice and aligned, very good cutouts. There's no hinge protection, so there's going to be no hinge protection, and the cutouts on top also nice and precise. And when you unfold this bad boy, it's going to just fold just fine. Boom, look at that. I gotta stick this. Oh, it's actually the stickers pushing this back. Oh yeah, I see those stickers right there. but it's gonna look fantastic. Boom. And the best part about this case is that it is MagSafe compatible, the proper place, and it is going to wirelessly charge like you just saw. Let's see that again. Bam, look at that. And it is in the proper spot, and the magnet is super strong. But not only can you use MagSafe battery packs and MagSafe accessories, you can also use like this ring right here, which makes for a better experience while you're using your device. Open this bad boy up, have it like that. You have it very secure. This is popping out just because I don't have the adhesives on, because I got other cases to review. But this is probably going to be what I'm rocking with here soon. It absolutely looks fantastic. Adds no bulk to your device. It does not get better than this. This is the Thineborne Aramid fiber case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Absolutely looks fantastic. The revised version is absolutely fantastic that they went ahead and took care of that. Not only are they the ones who took care of this and recognized the issue very early in the review process, but they're some of the first OEMs to launch with the revised version here. They're not the only ones with the problem. A bunch of case manufacturers had the exact same problem, but they're out here first implementing these revised versions, and it seems like they've done a good job. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this case, leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!